Okay, so we're doing some classic Pink Floyd chord riffs today. This is going to be from Pigs, 3 different ones from the Animals album. This is going to be like an E minor to a D. So we got our E bass first, and we have the 9 on the D string, and then the 9, and then the 8. And we're going to go to the 7s on those same strings. So part of an E minor and part of a D. So we got... We got a couple little chicks in there, muted scratches. So bass, and then chord twice, and then to the D. Chicka. 2 more E minors and 2 more Ds. So 2, 3, 4. Now where the bass went, we're not going to do a bass on that one because the bass is handling like the C note down here. We're going to go. So we have the 5s on the G and B going to the 3s. And every now and again you can hit the little 3s, or you can hit all 3 3s when you're going to that one. So it'd be like bass. And then on this third one you could go like kind of a bend up and then kind of push it down to the 3s. Back. And then B chord. Okay, and that's going to go twice. So I started with the E bass again, had the E major chord, 14, 13, 12, 12 on the bottom 4 strings. We go. So it starts on an up after that bass. Go to the D, 12, 11, 10, 10. And then we have an A chord here. This is a 11 on the D string, 11, 9, 10, 9. That was part of an E chord. We got the D, G, and B strings, 9s to the 7s, going to a D chord there. So we had. So that's an E power chord. Okay, so we did that twice. Now we're going to go up here to this D shape, 14, 15, 14. Okay, so we had the D shape, this other D shape, 12, 11, 10, 10, the A shape, and then D to E this time. Okay, so that one once again was 1. Now we're going to jump this higher up to the 16, 17, and 16, part of an E chord. We're going to go. Okay, so that one's going to end on an A. So we had E, D, E again, and then you had the D again to the A. So it's okay, so we have that A power chord. We hit it like 3 times there. And we're going to bend the 4s on the 2 middle strings, like a little half step. So it kind of goes back and forth with that a few times. We got the chicka-cha. Kind of ends with the A, G, G, G. Okay, so we have a D shape, 11, 10, and 10. We're using the D bass also. So down, down, up to this A shape here, 9, 10, 9, with a D bass still. So we got. Then we're gonna go 7, 8, 7 to 7, 7, 5, and we always do the D bass with that. Then we're gonna go 6, 5, 5, an A chord to a G chord, 4, 3, 3. And then A to D. Ba-dum, bum, D, D. Okay, so once again we got. Okay, so those chords are just C major 7, 3 on the A string, 2, open, open, open. And then we have an E minor 9, open, 2, 4, open, open, open. And the riff was like the 2 of the D string. It'll go down, up on those opens underneath it. Do that twice, now we're gonna slide the 2 to 4. So same type of stuff, 4 to 5. 5 to 7 that time. Okay, so it was. C major 7, E minor 9. Do those twice. Okay, so it's single notes, but it's like a chord that makes this happen, so we'll include this in this. So we have an 8 on the D string, we have a 6 on the B string. We're going D string to B string, open G to open E. Okay, easy enough. Great sound. Okay, so a great chromatic chord riff. We have a B chord up here. 6, 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3.